Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be a quick yes or no because I have received a couple of emails saying that I'm not doing the yes or no reading nowadays. So some people asked for this reading. So that is what I thought I'll do it today. So we have 9 piles here. So you can choose the pile accordingly. All are different colors of seashells. You can pause the video if you need more time. You can meditate on the pile. You can choose accordingly if you are attracted towards the color or whatever it is, the number. Okay, so pile number 1 is this green seashell. Pile 2, red seashell. Pile 3, white seashell. Pile 4, brown seashell. Pile 5, dark blue color seashell. Pile 6, sky blue color seashell. Pile 7, black seashell. Pile 8, purple seashell. Pile 9, yellow color seashell. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. Okay, then before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me to do more and more readings for you. And I would like to read all your comments. Whatever you are feeling, like if it is resonating or not resonating, if you need more different kind of readings, you can mention in the comment section so that I can post a poll on the same topic. Whichever topic gets more votes, then that same topic I will take it as a reading. Okay, then once in a while I'll be doing this yes or no reading also, because that is also requested by some of the viewers. Then it is raining here and it's a lovely weather today. Then I thought I will do the reading. I'm really in a very happy and joyful mood. I feel that I can connect with the angels more quickly in this nature. Okay, that's all. Let us start the reading now. Whoever chose this green seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see the answer for your question, yes or no. Okay, the Fool, Queen of Cups and Four of Swords. Okay, so the answer is yes, but it needs a lot of action from your side, and it will also give you the rest or peace of mind after you get this done. Okay, after whatever question you asked, the answer is yes. After it is done, then you will be more relaxed, more you will be taking rest, and you will be thanking God for this. But you need to take action for this. Okay, maybe some of you, not it is not compulsory, but maybe some of you are a single mom or divorced person whom you are asking about the any particular specific someone or specific connection, if you are going to marry this person or not. So the answer is yes. And also if you are praying for the job or something, like you are having something in your mind like dream job or something, or related to health. So you will be asking about health also, like will I be healthy again? Will I get rid of this illness? Or maybe you are asking about the specific someone, whether I'll get married or not, or will I remarry or not, something like that. Because I can see a Queen of Cups, which represents the single mom or a divorced person. So definitely it needs action from your side. Then it will, the answer will be definitely yes. You have to take a risk or leap of faith in this matter. Then definitely you will get the result positively. Okay, that's all I have for you. Whoever chose this red seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no. Wow, the Sun card. I think no need to say anything. Then we have the Empress and Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so the answer is a big yes. And you might be asking about money related, finance related question you are asking. And also you are asking about your power, like a career or a job, or you are asking about the success in this relationship, or you are asking about pregnancy. So definitely your wish will be fulfilled You will be abundant. If you are looking for pregnancy, definitely you will get the pregnancy. If you are waiting for the returns from your money, definitely you will receive it. Answer is a big yes for you guys. Congratulations. Then going to the next pile, whoever chose this white seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no. So the Magician. Then we have 10 of swords and Knight of swords. Okay. So the answer is like maybe, because it is a mixed energies. Magician means you have to manifest. It will not happen very easily. One cycle you have to complete. One cycle you have to end. That will be a painful ending. Then only you have to start a new beginning. Okay. Knight of swords means action card. Okay. You will be very, very energetic once this chapter ends in your life. Then whatever is completed in your life, it might start again with your manifestation, because you are a magician. You are manifesting this one person or one job or travel or whatever it may be. So you are manifesting this person or this job or this money. Then it is coming very fast to you, but you have to complete one cycle, or you have to complete one thing in your life. Then only it will come to the fruition. So the answer, it is maybe. It is not confirmed yes or no, but it is maybe, because the cards are mixed here. If you like to choose some other pile, you can definitely choose a different pile. Okay. Whoever chose this brown seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no. The World, the Tower, and the Page of Wands. Okay. So the answer is, this is also a maybe, because you will complete a chapter in your life, and then the thing you are asking about, it will happen unexpectedly because of the Tower card. So this change might be not that much pleasant for you. So you are asking maybe a travel or a job, or you are asking about a passionate relationship. So whatever it may be, it will happen unexpectedly after you complete one cycle in your life. Or if you are asking about a person, then you will complete a cycle with this person of no contact or no communication. Then you will have a passionate conversation, or passionate reunion, I can say, because Page of Wands is a very determined person. Okay, so whoever is asking the question, so you are very much determined about this question which you are asking. So definitely you want to have success, and you will have success, but the thing is, you have to complete a chapter in your life. Then it will happen unexpectedly without any sign or a warning. Okay, it might not be so pleasant for you. Okay, so the answer is maybe. If you want, you can choose another pile to get more clarification. That's all I have for you. Pile number 4. Then pile number 5, this is a blue seashell. Let us see. The answer for your question is yes or no. Let us ask spirits and angels. The Devil, King of Cups, and Two of Wands. Okay. So most likely the answer is no, if it is related to any money, finance, or job, health. Okay, so the answer is no. But if you are asking about a person, okay, then that will be definitely yes, because this person, if you are asking about a specific someone in your life, whether this person will come to you or not, or will I get married to this person, does he love me? Okay, so the answer is yes, because this person definitely have lot of emotional feelings for you. They are waiting for you. It is a long distance relationship, and they have lot of obsession with you. They are obsessively thinking about you. Definitely they have lot of positive feelings towards you. Okay, then as I told you already, other questions, it is not positive, because you have to wait for a long time for it to happen. If you are asking about any money, finance, health, or anything, you have to wait for a long time for this to happen. It will not happen so soon. So the answer may not be positive for you. But whoever is asking about a specific person or specific relationship, then the answer is yes. Whoever chose this blue seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no. The star, Nine of Pentacles and Death. Okay, so the answer is yes, because there are two positive cards and also the star card. Star card is a hope actually. So there is lot of hope in the question that you asked. So you felt that this is done, death card is there, but it is a new birth again. So it is newborn, like it is death and rebirth. Okay, you thought that this is end of this thing. Okay, whatever it may be, you are asking about money, career, or you are asking about any job like a celebrity role, or you are asking about any acting or a movie, or a if you are a singer or a dancer, like kind of a celebrity. So you are asking about that question. So definitely your death and rebirth, whatever you are thinking that it is done, it is dead, nothing can happen, it will reborn again, and you will be quite abundant and free, freedom lover, and you will be free of all your worries, and you will be enjoying your life, and you will be enjoying your fruits of your hard work. Okay, so definitely there is lot of hope in this situation, and it will happen again. Okay, if you are feeling that it is done, dead, nothing can happen, but it will happen, and it will happen for a good cause. Okay, that's all I can say. Congratulations, pile number 6. Then let us move on to pile number 7. Whoever chose this black seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no. The Hermit, Nine of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so the answer is not so positive. It can be maybe answer, I can say, but it will happen very slowly, because Ace of Pentacles is there. That means it is a kind of a new beginning in your money related. Okay, this is maybe you want to start a new business or new venture. As of now you are stuck, and you have faced lot of problems in your life. You are tired of seeing people's uh, maybe someone cheated you or something like that. You are tired of all the people's worldly drama. So you are going to be like meditating, or finding trying to find your soul purpose, or you are going towards the spirituality. Okay, then you will take a break, take a retreat, then sometimes you will take rest. Okay, then this new beginning will happen. Okay, this is also kind of a maybe. It will take a very long time. It will not happen so fast, because the Hermit card is a stagnant energy. You will be like searching for the truth, or what you want exactly. So it is kind of a very slow moving energy. It might happen or might not happen, but it will take a long time. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 7. Then pile 8. Whoever chose this purple seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no. Emperor, then 5 of cups and 10 of wands. Okay, so the answer is no. No for this pile, because 5 of cups is like you are regretting about something, someone or some relationship, or some decision you have taken in your life regarding money, career. Somebody is obstacle in this particular situation. Maybe your boss, or your father, or a father figure, or father of your children, or your husband, or whatever it is. Okay, so someone is like obstacle in this situation. So they are not letting it happen. You are having lot of responsibilities on your shoulder. You are into a deep pain, sorrow. You are like walking with a very hard working, I can say. You are walking very slowly. You are not able to walk also. That kind of a very painful situation I can see in this pile. The energies also are very low. You are in a really very bad situation, painful situation. That is the reason you are asking everybody whether it will happen or not. But maybe someone is, what I can see is your boss or somebody is not letting you win, or not letting you grow in this job or a career. Or if it is relationships or love, then someone like father figure or a brother, somebody is not agreeing for this connection. Okay, so the answer is no, friends. If you want, you can choose some other pile to get more clarity. Okay, that's all. Then last but not the least, whoever chose this yellow seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no. The Tower, the Star, and the Chariot. Okay, so for this it is actually practically saying it is no because of the Tower card, but because it is paired up with the Star and Chariot, definitely the answer is yes. And it will happen unexpectedly, suddenly, and there is lot of hope in this question whatever you asked. And there is lot of movement, very fast movement. Okay, so whatever you are asking the question, it will happen. Not only will happen, it will happen very fast, unexpectedly it will happen. And because of the Chariot card, it will move very very fast. If you are asking about a person or a job or whatever it is, I can't expect what is it, because many things are many messages are coming here. Messages are like travel, or kind of a celebrity vibe, or long distance, uh, change in your lifestyle. Okay, so you are expecting something. Okay, so the answer is definitely yes. Not only yes, it will happen very very fast in your life. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 9, that's all I have for you. Then if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.